Hello everyone, this is Professor Johnson, and I'm here to give you just a short video on how to operate the VoiceOver PowerPoint for the assessment of nutritional status and fluid balance. For the other VoiceOver PowerPoints on culture and development, the voice will start automatically when you click on the PowerPoint. For this one, however, I don't know if it's because it's different years of PowerPoint. I could not get it to start automatically, but that's an easy fix. If you see this little icon, that's a speaker icon. If you click on it, right click, come on, all right, temperamental. And you're going to click on this little triangle, and I can hear myself talk. You can't because of the video program that I'm using. I'm just using the free version. But anyway, this way, you can start and stop it when you want to. You can pause it and go back. You can pause it and write notes and start again or start where you left off. So it's not that hard. Um, Again, you're going to wave your little cursor. If it doesn't come up, right click, and then it can go right over on that triangle, and then click on the triangle and you'll hear my voice. Make sure that your speakers are turned up so that you can hear me, and I do not believe that you can view it and or hear it on tablets or phones. It has to be done from a computer. If you have any difficulties, please get a hold of the help desk. It's 829-8282 or helpdesk@dyc.edu. Those are the only technical fixes I know of. So if you're still having difficulties, I would contact them. Hope this was helpful. Thanks, and I'll see you in class.